Okay, so for Upwards reading today, this is where we left off yesterday. So take the tab off, and I want you to turn the page, and we're going to get ready to do the Write My Symbol. We're on lesson 25 on Tuesday, page 9. Okay, so leave this open. I'm going to go ahead and do our sounding out of the words, and then have this ready in pencil so you can write your letters in just a minute. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is the same that we did yesterday, where I read a word, and then I'm going to say part of it without it. Remember I said say ham, and now say it again, but don't say and you should say am. Okay, all right, here we go. Say pit. Now say it again, but don't say p. Should have said it. Say big. Now say it again, but don't say b. Should have said ig. Say pot. Now say it again, but don't say p. Ot. Good. Say mop. Now say it again, but don't say Should have said op. Say cab. Now say it again, but don't say k. And you should have said ab. Very good. Okay, so now I'm going to read for you the sounds of each letter, and you're going to write them on that page 9, okay? All right, you ready? The first one is D. Write the letter that makes the sound D. Okay, next, write the letter that makes the sound N. N. Next, write the letter that makes the sound I. I. If Miss Mappus goes too fast, then just pause the video. Next one, make the letter that sounds J. J. The next one, make the letter that sounds K. And remember, there's 2 of them, so write both of them down. K. Next one, make the letter that has the sound R. Next one, make the letter that makes the sound P. P. Next one, make the letter that makes the sound F. F. Next, write the letter that makes the sound E. E. Next, write the letter that makes the sound W. W. Next, write the letter that makes the sound V. V. Next, make the letter that makes the sound X. X. Next, make the letter that makes the sound Y. Y. And the last one, make the letter that makes the sound Z. Z. Okay, let's check them. Okay, and here are the answers, and I apologize. Again, I can't make a copy of the page to write the letters on, and so they didn't line up exactly right, but you can have them in any order. We'll go through them real quick to make sure you have them all. Make sure that you have them written correctly. The P, the Y, and the J are all droppers, so make sure you drop those below that line, okay? All right, ready? D dog D, N nest N, I igloo I, J jam J. All right, and this was the K sound. They had 2 of them. C cat K, K kite K, R rug R, P pan P, F fish F, E egg E, W web W, V violin V, X fox X, Y yarn Y, and Z zebra Z. Very good. Okay, we're going to turn the page. Once I get both pages in there. All right, and you're going to practice your Z's, and every time you write them, you're going to do Z, zebra, Z. Okay? All right, so Miss Mathis has the one there, but I don't want to write on the good book. So I did copy this just by hand so I can do tap spelling with you, okay? All right, we're going to get ready to do these. All right, the first word is zig. Zig. You can go ahead, tap it out, and then write the word on the line over there. Okay. And if I go too fast, just pause it. Z, I, g. Z, I, g. And then I say Z, I, G. Zig. All right, the next word is zag. Tap it out and then write the word. Z, a, g. Z, a, g. Z, a, G. Zag. Okay, the next one is zip. Tap it out and then write it. Zip. Okay, z, I, p. Z, I, p. Z, I, P. Zip. The next one, zap. Zap. Z, a, p. Like I said, just pause it if I go too fast. Z, a, p. Z, a, P. And just like Miss Mappus is saying these letters out loud, that's what you should be doing. We should do the sounds, tapping it, say the sounds, and then say the letters as we write it over here, or zap. And the last one is a name, so it needs to have a capital letter, of course. It is Zeb. Zeb. Z, E, B. Z, capital, so it needs to start at the top and come all the way down. E, B. Make sure your B faces that way. Z, E, B. Zeb. Okay. All right, so when you do this page, and then the next two pages are optional, okay? You don't have to do them, but you can. This is a lot of coloring. You might want to do it as a zip line with the trees. The brown ones will be capital letters, and the lowercase will be green. And you can see that it's so hard to tell because they're the same shape. So the capitals have that little line right there in the middle, and the ones that are the lowercase have it at the top to tell the difference. And then you can make, of course, this on your own. This is optional. You don't have to do this, but you can make it out of, I don't know, go out and find some dirt again. We did dirt at the very beginning of the year. Maybe you could put some glue and some dirt on it. Or maybe you have a lot of little zippers. That would be fun. Okay, and that's it. So let's put our tab back in so you know what to do there. And let's just go over our sight words and learn. We'll practice spelling these two. Oh, we just did this one during morning message. H-E-R, her. So make sure you're spelling these with me, okay? You spell it. And say the word, okay? And what is this one? His. H-I-S, his. And use your finger like I'm doing that with the line, okay? All right, so remember we went over some of them yesterday. We're going to go over a few of these other ones, okay? All right. So I'm going to let you do it first, and then I'll do it. Okay? So we should S-O, so. You try it. G-O, go. Instead of writing one. Oh, we did this one with our morning message. O-R, or. I. Easy enough. I. Okay, try that one. A-R-E-R. Y-O-U-U. And you should be doing this before me. You do it now. And then I'll do it to make sure you got it. Y-O-U-R, your. A-N-D, and. Great job. All right. And the last thing today you get to read, another one of our readers. Oops. Did you see a zap? Uh-oh. Let's see what happens with that book, okay? So read this one, either print it out or you can read it straight from your computer, but you should read this today as well, okay? All right, that's it for reading today. I'll see you for activities.